Good morning, dear class. Earlier, we have studied about the mechanism of fuse, that is, if the large amount of electricity accidentally flows through a circuit, the fuse wire will melt and making the circuit incomplete. Fuse wire is very important. If we does not put a fuse in a circuit, a large amount of electricity may burn the element and the electrical appliances. Today, we are going to study the types of fuse, that is the miniature circuit breaker. These days, we see miniature circuit breakers or MCB instead of fuses. They have switches which automatically turn off the moment the current crosses the safety limit, thereby breaking the circuit. Now, in houses that are built, constructed in nowadays, we generally don't find the fuse. We always see the miniature circuit breaker. That is, miniature circuit breaker automatically gets turned off when the moment the electricity above the limit passes through it. When they are turned on, the circuit is again complete. We use miniature time delay fuses in appliances to protect them. Now, the advantage of this miniature circuit breaker is that the fuse wire, once the coil gets break, it needs to be changed, but in the miniature circuit breaker, it does not need to be changed. It is only dependent on a switch which can be turned on and turned off. The disadvantage of using coil based incandescent lights is that along with producing light, they also produce heat, which is a wastage and not a desirable. To minimize this, fluorescent tube lights have been developed that do not produce heat. These days, we use compact fluorescent lamps or CFLs that reduce the wastage of electricity to a great extent. Instead of heating element, they have gas-filled tubes that take lesser amount of electricity and run longer than the incandescent bulbs. Now, you might also have noticed that in house constructed these days, we always use CFL bulbs. We does not use the bulbs that are coil based, because the coil, by producing light, it also produces heats. And to minimize this, the fluorescent tube lights have been developed that does not produce heat. We use compact fluorescent lamps, which are also known as CFLs, that reduce wastage of electricity and also does not produce heat. These CFL bulbs have gas-filled tubes that consume less amount of electricity and also does not produce heat. Today we have studied the miniature circuit breaker, that is the MCB, and also the CFL bulbs. The advantage of CFL bulbs over the coil-based bulbs. In miniature circuit breaker, you read that they have a lot of advantages over the fuse wire, as the fuse wire need to be changed, but in the miniature circuit breaker, there's only a switch on and off mechanism. When the current flows above the limit, then automatically the miniature circuit breakers switches off, and when we can see that electricity is passing up to the limit, then we can switch it on. And in the CFL bulbs, they does not produce the heat that is produced in the coil based bulb, because they are filled with gas. I hope you have understood both the topics.